Hello everyone, this is Marcus from Sousa Tutor. Today's topic will be prime factorization. So you're going to learn how to list all the prime factors of a number by the use of prime factorization. What is a prime number? Prime number can be divided evenly only by 1 or itself, and it must be a whole number greater than 1. Few tricks for you. All even numbers are divisible by 2 except 0. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. For example, 45. If you add the digits 4 and 5, that will give you 9. 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 45 is also divisible by 3. All numbers ending with the digit 5 are divisible by 5. All the non-zero numbers ending with the digit 0 are divisible by 5 and 10. Now, a few rules for prime factorization tree. You may divide your number by any pair of two factors except 1. No matter what, do not divide by 1. Whenever you reach a prime number, then you must stop. So here will be your first example, number 45. 45, you can divide, let's say, by 9. 9 times 5 will give you 45. Now, we have to think of two pairs of factors that when you multiply them will give you 9. So again, we cannot use the number 1, therefore we cannot do 1 times 9, so we have to do 3 times 3. 5 is a prime number, so we cannot go any further, so we stop there. Same thing with the 3, they're both prime numbers, 3 and 5, so we stop there. Now, a different way you could have done this would be to have 3 times 15, which is also 45. Now, 3 is a prime number, so you stop there. Now, 15, we can go further because 5 times 3 does give you 15. Okay, so the prime factorization of 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. So 3, 3, and 5. And one way to check that will be to just multiply 3 times 3, 9 times 5, 45. Example number 2, 20. Again, same procedure. You have to think of two factors of 20 that when you multiply will give you 20. So let's say 4 and 5, because 4 times 5 gives you 20. Now, 5 is a prime number, so we stop there. 4, you can break it down into 2 times 2. And again, you cannot do 1 times 4 because we cannot use the number 1. So the only choice there will be 2 times 2. Now, a different way you could have done would be to have 10 times 2 because that's also equal to 20. Now, 2 is a prime number, so you stop. And the 10, you can break it down into 2 times 5 or 5 times 2. The order doesn't matter. Then you just list the numbers you have, all the prime numbers you have. 2, 2, and 5. Okay, now here's one for you to practice. 30. I want you to pause this video for a minute and try this on your own. Once you finish, please unpause the video and check your work. Okay, so 30, you can do 6 times 5. That's equal to 30. 6, we can break it down into 2 and 3. So now we have all the prime factors of 30. Different way you could have done that would be 10 times 3. 10, you can break it down to 2 and 5. Now, if you remember the tricks I show you in the first couple slides, whenever you have a number ending with 0, you might want to divide that by 10, and that will make it easier for you. So 2 times 3 times 5, if you're to multiply those to check your work, you will get there. Another one for you to practice, 42. Again, I want you to pause the video for a minute, and then once you're done, please unpause the video and check your work. Okay, so I'm just going to trust you. I hope you pause the video. So 42, 6 times 7 does give you 42. 7 is a prime number, therefore you cannot go any further as far as the 7. However, the 6 we can break it down into 2 and 3. 2, 3, and 7. Those are your prime factors of 42. A different way you could have done that would be 14 times 3, which is also 42. 14 you can break it down into 7 and 2. So those are your prime factors, 2, 3, and 7. Practice number 3, same procedure. Please pause the video for a minute. Give it a try. Once you're done, please unpause the video and come back. 52, we can break it down into 26 and 2. 2 is a prime number, so we only break down the 26. 26 is a even number, and we can divide that by 2. So 2 times 13 would give you 26. So 2, 2, and 13. Different way you could have done that would be 4 times 13. 13 is a prime number, you stop. 4, you can break that down into 2 times 2. So those are your prime factors, 2, 2, and 13. Now, this may seem a bit of a challenge because it's a bigger number, but don't let that scare you. It's just a bigger number, but you're doing the same procedure over and over. Now, just a hint before you get started. Remember, numbers ending with 0, you can divide them by 10. Okay? So again, pause the video for another minute. Give it a try. Once you're done, please unpause the video. So 1000, we divide that by 10. You get 100. 100 times 10 will give you 1000. Now we have to keep going until you get prime numbers. So 100, you can break that down into 10 times 10. And the 10, you can break that down into 2 times 5. And again, your 10s, you break them down to 2 and 5s. Then all you have to do is list all the prime factors you have. So 2 times 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. So when you multiply all those numbers, you should get 1000. Right? Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please check us on Facebook. And please share this video with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.